Symor Instrument Equipment is the leading environment simulation equipment manufacturer in China, established in 2001, located at Daya Industrial Park, Hefei, China. Manufacturer-Symor integrates state-of-the-art environmental test chamber R&D, marketing with production and shipping. Our Shenyihao factory covers an area of 12,100 square meters with 1,500 sets annual production capability. Manufacturer-Symor has initially built ISO 9001-2008 quality management system and brings in advanced manufacturing facilities and technique in China, such as CNC machine, bending machine, laser cutting machines, which ensure high quality and more efficient production. Manufacturer-Symor specializes in manufacture and designs of climate simulation test chambers, including temperature test chamber, temperature humidity test chamber, thermal shock test chamber, salt spray corrosion chamber, ultraviolet aging chamber, photovoltaic module test chamber, IP test chamber, ozone aging test chamber, walk-in test chamber, and dry cabinet. Our chambers are mainly applied on electronic, automobile, telecommunication, pharmaceutical, aerospace, packaging, photovoltaic industries. We provide 2 years warranty with lifetime technical support. We support engineer on-site maintenance service. We have exported climatic chamber to more than 20 countries. Our experienced R&D team can entirely meet your customized requirements. Manufacturer-Symor insists on the principle, build trust before doing business. We comprehensively implement the service idea of stand by customer's side and consider for them. At present, we're developing our exclusive controller that integrates computer control technology with touchscreen display for more convenient operation. We are aiming to manufacture the most reliable climate test chambers in China. Welcome to reach us for possible collaboration. We are ready to serve you in the environmental testing equipment industry. For more information, please visit our website at www.climatechambers.com. Thanks for watching.